Did you know your Android phone can do a lot more than you think, and you don't even need to install any new apps? Hidden right inside your phone are genius gestures that can save time, boost productivity, and make you look like a tech pro. Let's dive into 3 genius Android gestures you probably didn't know existed. Gesture number 1. Split screen in a second. Ever wanted to watch YouTube and reply to messages at the same time? Here's how you do it. Open your first app, then swipe up from the bottom and hold. Now tap the app icon at the top and choose split screen. Then pick your second app. Boom! Multitasking made easy. You can even drag the middle bar to resize each app. This feature is perfect when you're studying, watching tutorials, or comparing products online. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Gesture number 2. Quick tap, a hidden back tap trick. Some Android phones, especially Google Pixel and newer models, have a secret feature called Quick Tap. Go to Settings, System Gestures, Quick Tap to start actions. Once enabled, you can simply double tap the back of your phone to take a screenshot, open the camera, or launch your favorite app. No more fumbling for buttons, just 2 quick taps, and it's done. It feels like magic, but it's actually just smart software engineering. Gesture number 3. Swipe to screenshot, no buttons needed. On most Samsung, Xiaomi, and Apple phones, you can take a screenshot with your palm gesture. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, Motions and Gestures, and enable palm swipe to capture. Now, just swipe your hand sideways across the screen, and snap. Instant screenshot. No more awkwardly pressing volume down and power at the same time. It's smoother, faster, and totally satisfying once you get used to it. And here's a bonus tip. If you use gesture navigation instead of buttons, you can swipe diagonally from the bottom corners to launch Google Assistant instantly. Try it. It's faster than saying, "Hey Google." So next time someone watches you take a screenshot with a wave or open apps with a tap, they'll think you've unlocked secret Android powers. Now you know. White heavy checkmark, split screen like a multitasking pro. White heavy checkmark, quick tap like a magician. White heavy checkmark and swipe screenshot like a boss. Give them a try, and turn your regular Android into a productivity super tool. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.